Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore, and today daily task topic is human tissues. Let's start the define tissue. Tissue is the group of cells and similar the structure and functions. Each tissue which carry out the unique function of body. They are found in the multi. They are only found in the multicellular organisms. Let's start the study of tissues is also known as the histology. Histology is the branch of science which deals with the study of tissues. It's called as the histology. Classification of tissues. Tissue are made of the four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. The epithelial tissue are the protect in upper side of body. Epithelial tissue provides the covering and protection of the body. Connective tissue to provide the structural framework of the body, and the nervous tissue to provide movement of the body, and muscular tissue to provide the nervous tissue to responsible for the coordination and communication of let's start the discuss the functions. The function of tissue. The first of all, to tissue is provide the shape of the body and help to the store body energy. Third one is the tissue helps to the formation of various organs like kidney, lungs, hearts. Let's start the discuss the types of tissue in detail. The first of all, four main types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. They are divided into the subtypes. The first of all, epithelial tissue are subtypes in. First is the simple tissue, second is stratified tissue, and third one is the granular tissue. Simple tissue to again divided into four types: simple squamous epithelial tissues, simple cuboidal epithelial tissues, simple um, simple tissue are divided into a main four sub. Simple epithelial tissue are again divided into a sub four types: simple columnar epithelial tissues, simple um, squamous epithelial tissue, simple cuboidal epithelial tissue, and simple ciliated columnar tissue. Stratified epithelial tissue are divided into sub four types: stratified squamous epithelial tissue, stratified columnar epithelial tissues, stratified cuboidal epithelial tissue, and transitionals. Connective tissue are divided into five subtypes: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, blood, bone, and cartilage. Muscular tissue are divided into three subtypes: muscle. Muscular tissue are divided into sub three types: smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. Nervous tissue, two subtypes: neurons and glial cells. Let discuss the in detail for let discuss the in detail epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is also known as the vascular tissue or the epithelial tissue or epithelium. These are those tissue which is made up of the closely tissue. Let's start the function of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, the main function is the protect our body in internal structure. They are protect from your body and internal organs. They protect from body in internal organs injury, and they helps in the secretion of various hormones. Let's start the detail in connective tissue. Connective tissue are connected in the different types of organs and different types of parts in body. Functions of connective tissue. Connective tissue. The first is the different connective tissue in body. Let's start the in detail the muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is the made up of the muscular fibers, and let's start the functions of muscular tissue. First is the to maintain the body's posture. It forms protective organs in the around organs. Fourth one is the nervous tissue. These are those which are found in the brain, spinal cord. And let's start the functions of nervous tissue. The main function of nervous tissue is it is responsible for the coordination and communication, stimulate the muscle contractions. Thank you for listening the video.